Okay, part two of the 280 SEL. We're going to go ahead. We did a little tinkering, so good old Jose, he's going to start it up again and hopefully not blow me up. So it's firing up like the 350 SL. There it is kicking. How about that? We have an audience, by the way, but they don't want to be on camera. The out would be more air, or in would be more fuel. Out. There we go. So we got an idle adjustment we need to make. Sounds pretty good. Plugs, probably wires.
Oh, there we go.
What?
Right there.
A little smoke. It's like,
What?
oh yeah, it's coming off.
Let's see where it's coming from.
Looks like it's coming off the valve cover.
Got an exhaust leak. Not a vacuum, that's an exhaust leak.
Well, exhaust leak, but we also got, you can see the oil stain. Yeah, we got oil coming off the valve cover. So new valve covers.
That's what people.
Well, yeah, might as well. They're easy.
Because once we get that done, then we can mess with the vacuum.
Okay.
We need to make sure that one's sealed first.
So valve covers, or
Okay.
valve cover, or cam cover gaskets. Well,
Yeah, because there was a lot of inconsistency on the timing. And this guy too
yeah.
seems to be getting stuck. But there is a lot of adjustment though. You have adjustment here, 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 back here, and then back here.
Okay. Let me take the blankets and stuff off, and let's let it run.
Okay.
And let's see if it will back up under. Well, first of all, check the brakes. See if you have
Yeah.
enough vacuum for the brakes, because I'd hate for you to go backing into the house behind us.
Yeah, we don't need that.
But yeah, go ahead and let it run, and let's bring it up to some idle, a little bit of an idle. I'll get that stuff off of here. This needs to be cleaned.
Yeah, at least this one fires right away compared to that white one.
Yeah, no kidding.
Sound it. Well, it hasn't been ran for quite some time.
15 years, 10 years, 14 years, however long. It's starting to smooth itself out a little bit. Well, I'll let you check the brakes. I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to go back here to the behind side of it. See if we have brake lights. I think we do. Yep, we have brake lights. Got reverse lights. Not moving under its own power. Is the emergency brake on?